Hey guys, I've just finished most incredible session trading. If you want to find out the result of this session, I've started with $500 and got to a pretty high amount in profits. If you want to find out which it is, which indicators I use and the strategy, watch this till the end and you'll find out. Let's start the session. My name's Oliver. Let's go. So guys, we're gonna start here with, let's see, $500, and I'm gonna go ahead and make this option straight away for long. So the call option here, as you can see, there was a pullback and I entered right at the bottom of this pullback. And also we can see that we were hitting the resistance level there, and there was this pullback from the resistance level, but now we're trying to break this level through. And as you can see, the price started going up straight away after we made our option, and this is a good sign. So this big green candle is a sign for a bullish impulse, and I think we're on a correct path here. Let's wait for the result of this one and continue. Here is the result of this. 92% of the payout. It's 960 already. We're gonna put that in here, and let's go to this currency. Let's see. So here is similar situation. We hit the resistance zone, or even almost level a resistance zone, and let's see, will it break it or not? That's the thing. I think it entered into a flat right now, but generally there is a strong kind of bullish trend, and a bullish green line is a bullish green candle is a big impulse. So I've entered into a long. That looks good, because this might be the where we break this resistance level. So you can see there's a lot of pin bars. That's really unstable activity, really volatile. But generally we can see the growth, so that's the decision making is from that thinking. So let's wait for the result of this and we continue. That's a good thing going. So we have 1,843 towards our next option. That's a good profit already there. And let's continue, guys. So with this currency here, what we can see is we're touching up the resistance level there. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the short, because I think from here we're gonna bounce off for now. And then also the CCI is showing us the direction of the trend right now, and it's down. So I think we're making the right choice here. Let's wait for the result and continue. Here is the profit. Really good profit already. So you can see how it grows when you're using the compound percentage. Every time using the entire balance towards the next option creates the exponential growth. I'm sure you know about the compound percent, but just to make sure, the ones who don't, that's what happens. Using each time using the full amount, that creates exponential growth totally. And guys, don't forget, by the way, I'm gonna use 3,000. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. It helps to grow the channel. And also there's a link to Quadex, to this platform where I trade, and a link to a Telegram group that I have with my team, where we share a lot of useful info explanations how the indicators work, and stuff like that, levels and all, patterns. Let's just make this $3,000 option here. So as you can see here, the decision, CCI is looking down, and then the price, everything looks like if I should be doing a put option, right? But looking at CCI, we're going down, but we entered a zone which is called the when the asset is oversold, and when it enters into that, people start buying because the price is really low, so it's devalued almost. It loses the value, becomes really cheap. People buy it when it's cheap to sell it when it's higher. So this is what happens. And also we are reaching a level, a support level, and here we are, the profits there, and we reach this support level from which we're going to bounce off. So here you need some knowledge which you can get in learning in any place. It doesn't matter where you learn. You can look the videos on the internet and read information. There's a lot of info out there, but as one of the places where you can learn, there's an invitation link in the description to our Telegram group where you can find useful info. So here we have an upper trend. It's going up, and we're entered into a flat here. Pin bars pretty unstable, so we're gonna go with 6,000 and into a call option, because also there is a flag pattern here, which you can see. So I'm thinking it's gonna go in repeat. Usually the flag repeats itself in the opposite direction, so we're expecting a growth in the next couple of minutes at least. So let's wait for the result of this and we'll continue. Here is the profit from this, and as you can see, that's what happens. I think the growth is still there for the amount of the handle of the flag is, if you look at it, if you know what I mean, if you've been in our Telegram group and you know what I mean, what the flag pattern is and how it works, and then you saw it. There's no need to. Here's another one. Okay, so let's find ourselves a nice asset to work with. Oh, not this one. It's going into just a 3,000 one. Just want to test this. So CCI there is had gone. I mean, we see a pattern here as well that I think. Okay, let's find out. Let's see. I see a pattern there that is an indication to a change of direction for the market. Plus, I think if you look at the CCI, it's bouncing off the support level there. So yeah, that looks correct. Let's wait for the result of this one and continue. And here we didn't have to wait too long. This is the result, 5.7 thousand. That was a quick one, but it worked. So you see, patterns work. Actually, yeah, not a bad one. Again, find out about patterns in the group or anywhere you want actually, but you'll start, when you learn and have knowledge of them, you'll start seeing them in my sessions. Okay, so let's have a look. It's the same kind of. Just see this. Yeah, kind of. I see the same thing here. So let's go in to a. Right, so let's go with a huge number here of 12,000, and let's find out if that works out. That's one of them. That's the most important one. And here I see that the CCI is in this zone of being oversold, is exiting from that, and also there was a support zone from which we're bouncing off. So all these are giving us the indication. Plus, again, this pattern that I see there of the change of the market direction, so of the trend direction, excuse. So let's find out. It's about to finish, I think, and there you are. There is the profit. There is the profit, guys. Really crazy profit. Wow. So we're gonna stop here. Hope you enjoyed this. This has been a really profitable session, and I'll see you all next time. All the best. Goodbye.